Hello everyone, my name is Swapnil and today I am going to be discussing about the topic of interviews. So basically this is for all my friends who are doing the professional courses. So friends, for the ease of understanding, I am going to break this process into three parts. That is the pre-interview stage, during the interview and the post-interview stage. So beginning with the pre-interview stage, some of the points that a candidate should be considering are as follows. Firstly, always remember that your CV or your resume should be an updated one and it should not be very lengthy. Try avoiding to write unnecessary information. It should be brief, but at the same time, it should also be an informative one. Then, never send your CV in a Word format. It should always be in a PDF format. Also, while writing the email, you should draft the body of the email in a proper manner. That means you should be clear and specific enough in what you are writing in your CV as well as in the body of the email. Never mark a single email to the various recruiters. I have seen people uh, sending a single email to various recruiters. In the same email, they will write the email address of all the recruiters in the two section, and they will mark a single email to all the recruiters at the same time. So never do this mistake. Then, after applying for a job, if you are being called for an interview, then you should drop a confirmation email that you are going to attend the interview or not. If in case, due to some reason, you won't be able to attend the interview, then you should always send the prior intimation to the concerned organization. Now let's discuss about the second stage, that is during the interview stage. Always reach the place of interview at least 20 minutes prior to your interview. Try to avoid wearing very dark colored clothes. Normally, the sequence of the interviews goes like this. Initially, there will be a written test, then an HR round, and later there will be a manager round. In some of the organizations, if you are being selected, then they take an HR round even after the manager round. You should always be updated about the latest developments in the legal aspects. Read the latest amendments through the ministry's website. Always be prepared about the basic HR questions like tell me something about yourself. Why do you want to join our organization? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? Make sure that you never degrade any of the prior organizations or the previous employers with whom you have worked in front of the prospective employer. If you are also studying simultaneously and if you are being asked about the same, then make sure that you should have an answer ready as to how your studies will not affect the quality of your services of your work. Always study about the background of the organization in which you are going for an interview. You should read about the mission and the vision statement, their core team, their core values, their objectives in the business, and this shows about how interested you are in working with them. And the last point is that once your interview is finished, you should always thank the interviewer for the opportunity that is being given to you for getting interviewed in their esteemed organization. You should also drop an email to the organization stating that you are very thankful to them for getting an opportunity for the interview. But make sure that you do not drop an email immediately after your interview. You should always drop an email on the next day of your interview, and even in a week if you don't get any reply from them regarding your selection, and if you want to confirm whether you are being selected or not, so you can make an follow up through a telephonic confirmation or a telephonic conversation asking them about the feedback of your interview, and they will definitely answer that whether you are being selected or not. So friends, I think this will be very helpful for you, and thank you for watching this video, and stay connected for more such updates. Thank you.